What's up, guys? Bassman Strikes here, and I was at the local creek on a perfectly overcast day. The plan was to head upriver and fish the likely spots that contain structure for bass and pike. The lures of choice for the day would be a black and blue chatterbait and a Ned rig with a Z-Man craw. I caught quite a few fish on this trip, and I will be breaking it up into 3 videos. This one, which will concentrate on the largemouth bass, and then one for smallmouth and one for pike. So stay tuned for those and let's get out on the water. The first bass of the day was hanging out in the undercut bank. If you watch closely to the bottom right, I spooked something else when I went by. That, another nice largie. Let's see. It's got to be about 17. 16 inches. That's close. 16, but nice and fat. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Okay, so this is actually the 3rd largemouth of the day, and it was also hanging out in an undercut bank. I'm saving the best one for last, so keep watching. That's a nice one. There we go, folks. Largemouth number 3. It's about 16. I'm not going to bother measuring them. That one's pretty nice though. Black and blue chatterbait. I saved the best one of the day for last. This one was a tank and the biggest one I have caught at this location. It was fat and healthy. Oh! Look at the size of this. There we go, folks. Look at this tank. 19 inches. That thing is giant. Look at that. That's the biggest largemouth I caught this year, I think. It's super fat. Look, it's got a big humpback. Super nice bass. Okay, let him go. Let her go. She goes. Well, folks, that's it for this trip. I started to head back to the launch as it was starting to get dark. The sunset turned out to be super cool with dark purples and blues. So stay tuned and watch that till the end. Thanks for coming out in the water with me. Bassman out. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.